Now we're going to show you how to take a soil sample using something like a garden trowel. The advantage of this is that it's a lot smaller and easier to maneuver, so when you're sampling something like a raised bed or a garden, it just makes it a quicker process. The idea is still the same, so we're looking to get that soil profile, and still similarly we're going to get multiple subsamples from around the area that we're testing. One thing that I do want to note before we get started, as you can see here, we've got several different raised beds. In this situation, you could do one of two things. You could run a sample for each bed separately, or if each bed was made using the same soil, you could sample all of them together in one sample, just getting a few different kind of sub-samples from each spot. So to take a sample from a raised bed or a small garden using a garden trowel, what we're going to do is come over the soil, and very similarly to when we used our shovel and the soil probe, we're looking to get the full profile of that soil 6 to 8 inches deep. So I'm just going to take my trowel, stick it straight down, pick it back up, and if you want to come in a little bit closer, I'll show you what it looks like once we pick it out. So in order to make sure we're getting that profile, same thing we did with the shovel earlier, I'm going to stick it down on the other side. So then I got a nice kind of tube of soil here, and pick it straight up. And from here we've got soil from the very top all the way down to the bottom. This is a clean bed, so there's no vegetative matter on the top that we're trying to get rid of. So all I'm going to do is kind of separate out the sides here, and then this is what I'm going to put in our bucket for us to get our big sample overall.